domino effect, that is also known as mechanical effect, ripple effect, or chain reaction. It's very powerful, but it's like a two-edged sword that can cut in both the directions. And therefore, we need to be alert of domino effect. Why? Domino effect could either be positive or negative. Negative means it could be in the opposite direction we are intended to go. And then we need to be alert. So, suppose negativity is coming to us, and then we should not become a link in the chain reaction. Rather than we should be mindful to accommodate that negativity and not to radiate, not to transfer it further. At the same time, we should also not start a negative domino effect because it's very powerful. Anything that is happening in the world is affecting everyone. We may not notice that, but it is happening. So, to sum up, domino effect is very powerful. It is like a two-edged sword. It could cut in both the directions, and therefore we need to be alert of domino effect. With that, I pause my thoughts. Thank you.